I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by isolating variables. Unplug USB drives and peripherals so they do not confuse the boot process. Next, reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI, usually F2, F10, Dell, or ESC, because you need to inspect boot order and device detection. Look to confirm the internal drive appears and that SATA mode is correct. This explains why the firmware can't find an operating system. Once done, set the internal drive as first boot, save changes, and reboot to see if the issue clears. If firmware sees the drive but still reports no OS, you must repair the bootloader. This is where the how matters. Boot from a recovery USB, Windows Recovery or Linux Live Media and run automatic repair tools. For Windows, open Command Prompt and run bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to restore boot records. These commands rewrite the MBR and BCD so the BIOS can load Windows. For Linux, root into the installed system and reinstall grub to the correct disk so the kernel is discoverable at startup. Finally, verify success and mitigate recurrence. After repairs, reboot and confirm the OS loads consistently. Make sure recovery options and a restore point exist. If you still get operating system not found, run smart tests and use a live environment to copy critical files because a failing drive may need cloning or replacement. If drive health is fine, swap the SATA cable or port and recheck BIOS. If nothing works, reinstall the OS as a last resort, but only after you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.